got tattoo.
What'd you do?
I got tattoo.
No! God, please, no!
Good morning. It is October 16th at 8:11 in the morning, and I am up nice and early this morning. Before we move any further with the video, I want to give a special shout out to today's sponsor, which is Pore, the Korean temporary tattoo machine. You guys, this thing is crazy. You can get personalized tattoos or use one of their 5,000 plus unique designs on their mobile app. Without further ado, see later in the video how I use this tattoo machine to prank my boyfriend. Just getting ready here. Nothing too fancy. I'm heading to the chiropractor this morning. I was super dizzy yesterday and having some bad headaches the past couple of days because of my cycle and stuff, and so going to the chiropractor is a norm for me, which you guys don't know about. You guys don't know about all of my physical issues. You guys know about my mental health and stuff, but not only is my mental health kind of something that I'm working on and struggling with, but it's also my physical health that I struggle with on a daily basis. I'm 28 years old, and when I was 20, I think, 20? Oh my gosh, it's been so long. Yeah. I was in a really bad car accident, and I don't know if you guys know about that at all, if I've mentioned it. But I was in a really bad car accident, and I ended up fracturing both of my hips and my lower spine, L4, L5, on my spine. And I have had serious issues ever since, which is just fantastic as a young adult. If you have pain or any kind of like issues, if you know, you know. So I'm not doing like anything crazy. I just put like a little bit of my like under eye concealer, my tinted eye serum on, and you know, not doing anything like too crazy or anything. But since it's so early and I'm getting a good start to the day, I thought I would take you guys along with me, just to kind of help motivate me to get stuff done, but just to show you guys what I've been up to. It's just been a whirlwind of a lot of stuff going on lately, and I feel like I've just been MIA, I don't know, on YouTube and stuff. And it's just, if you struggle with mental health, you know how difficult it is to get into a routine sometimes. You know how difficult it is to, like, I don't know, you have good days and bad days. It's just like a roller coaster of emotions, and it's just exhausting. So today's gonna be a good day. We're gonna make it a good day. And if it's not a good day, that's okay too. We'll document it. But thought I would just come on here, get started. Doing nothing glamorous or anything, but here we are. I gotta leave in like 15-ish minutes. Looking fantastic. Not really, but that's that. to Taz. Let's head to the chiropractor. Anyone, please send me anyone. I need anyone. Oh, anyone. Nobody's listening to me. Nobody's listening. All done at the chiropractor. My neck feels so much better. Had a good cracking. You know what I mean. Oh, I feel so much better. Chiropractor it has taken me a couple years to get to the point where I am now. I used to have to go to the chiropractor once a week. Like, it was so bad. And now I go like once or twice a month, which is just insane. My wallet is happy. For sure, because the chiropractor is expensive. So I'm gonna get some coffee now, I think, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna treat myself. It's Friday, it's the weekend. Let's go.
Good morning, how may we help you?
Hi, yes, can I have a medium iced coffee with caramel in it and almond milk?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it?
All right, it'll be $2.90.
All right, great, thanks.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Thank you. Oh, could I have a straw? No, thank you. Yeah, you too. Got the goods. I gotta get out of here. It's okay, it's just me. Alright, so today I'm going to, right now, I'm going to give myself a tattoo, and I'm going to prank my boyfriend. I'm going to give myself a tattoo. You guys, this machine is too easy, and this is like the grown-up version of tattoos, like of temporary tattoos. So thank you so much to Pranker Korea Temporary Tattoos for sending this machine over. This is the machine. There is user error with this, so if you don't know how to use it, it won't turn out right, but I did it one time and I got it perfect on the first go, and then I did another practice tattoo. I've done it twice and both the tattoos have come out perfect. It's super simple. So all you gotta do is there's an app with the prinker device, and it comes with a bunch of tattoos already loaded on the machine, so the machine goes with this. So I think I'm gonna go with this moon one. I'm trying to get one that's like bigger, so you just hit prank on it and it's going to load to the machine. It's loading to the machine. And now it's ready, so I just remove it from this bottom section and it says to press. So I'm going to try and do this so you can see. So I'm going to hit press, and then it does these little arrows again, or these little dots, and then there's going to be an arrow, yeah, where to slide the tattoo. Oh, that one. Oh, it's huge. Okay, so I need to go back further, but there, do you see? I needed to start it back further so I can start over again. But look how legit that is. I need to find a tattoo that I've always wanted, like a really cool rose tattoo or something. But like, look how legit that looks. Look at that! Yeah, I needed to start it back further, so I'm gonna try that again. I didn't know how long it was gonna be, so I'm gonna try that again really quick. But how easy is that? And it comes off with soap and water. But otherwise, oh, you have to do the spray with the primer, and then you can spray with this at the end, and you let it dry. So legit. And then look, it doesn't smear or anything. Isn't that crazy? It's not going anywhere unless you take it off with soap and water. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to find a bigger tattoo. So I'm going to do this flower because I want it to be, you know, believable. So all I do is I hit prink and it should load to the machine. And I hit press. And then it shows me an arrow. You just lightly ta-da! It's like so easy. Like it's almost too easy. You have an unlimited supply of tattoos. Oh yeah, primer, and then I forgot you gotta do the, you gotta set it. Gotta let that really dry. Oh, look at that! So my boyfriend is on his way home right now, and I actually ended up switching sides of where the tattoo was, and I just redid it. So it looks really, really good right now. It looks more legit. I'm tempted to like make it a little bit darker in here so you can't really tell. I mean, it looks legit. From a distance, it's like, whoa. Well, that's legit. Isn't it legit, Arlo? He doesn't care. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna set up the camera and just kind of be like, look, when I said I was going to the chiropractor this morning, I didn't go to the chiropractor. I went to a tattoo shop, and I've been wanting a tattoo, and I got one. That's what's gonna happen. That's what we're gonna do. So hopefully, I'm really, really bad at lying, like really bad. So let's see how my acting skills go, and let's see me make a fool of myself. He said he just got home, so he should be walking in any second now. I'm nervous. I've never done a prank before. Hello.
I thought I heard you unlock the door. That's why.
No, I unlatched the latch. That was quite quick.
Thank you.
I'll tell you something.
Oh, you know, don't. What'd you do?
I'm gonna tell you something.
Sometimes.
Baby.
What happened?
It's all bad. Yeah.
What?
When I said I went to the chiropractor, I didn't go to the chiropractor.
What did you do?
I went somewhere.
Where?
A tattoo shop.
You got a tattoo?
I got a tattoo!
Where? You want to get one?
Jen, yeah. I'm sorry. I was talking to Jen about it, and she was like, oh, I know somebody, and you'll see it. So weird.
A big cat on the.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted to put some more on it. You got it.
Well. It's okay because it's a prank! Did I catch you?
Yeah. Oh, is that what?
Yeah, it's a prank! It's a prank! Did I catch you?
Yeah. I thought you were straight up lying.
Does that look real?
Oh, that looks pretty real.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little light, but this doesn't look bad. I mean, I didn't know.
What? What?
What is it? Oh, it's like sticky.
I mean, not really.
What is it? You did?
I got sponsored by this thing that gives you tattoos.
Oh my gosh.
I got you good.
Got me.
I've never lied. I'm so bad at lying. I was really worried. I was saying before, I was like, I'm not gonna be able to convince you. But I was like, oh, I could say I didn't go to the chiropractor.
Dork.
But come here. So I was gonna do I'll do a skull on you. See? Now it's loading to the machine. Alright, and then you take it off and you press the button. Whoa!
Look at that.
I pushed a little too hard. You have to be so gentle. Look at that! Now you're a pirate. And then you spread a gum.
Sealed it. Thanks.
Look, now you're a pirate. I got you good. Didn't I?
You got me.
I was looking for a rose or something I would actually. Oh, look, I did my leg to start.
Oh yeah. Got a nice little flower.
I got you good.